Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Russia. For that, first of all, we will have to come on the PayPal's homepage that is accessible in Russia. Basically, you will have to select your Russian country, and for that, you will have to first of all come on this page. I will put the link of it down in the description, so use that link. And once you are on this page, simply use Ctrl+F on your keyboard and type Russia. As you can see that Russia is available here, so click on it and it will redirect you on PayPal's home page, and here you will see two different languages, Russian and English. So select the one that you want to choose or select. After that, click on the sign up option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be landed on this page where it will ask you whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. So you need to select the one which you want to open. After that, you will have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to basically create your account from Russia on PayPal. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.